How to get crypto.com tax report step by step. So hey everyone, welcome back to this channel, and let's just right jump into the topic. So to get your crypto.com tax report, uh, you have to sign up for crypto.com tax and import crypto transactions like in CSV files and API syncs with over 30 people. Popular crypto exchanges and wallets are supported, and after that you have to click on each transactions to view how capital gains and losses are calculated. And you can also generate report like reports can be exported in multiple formats that are compatible with major tax filing software and IRS forms. So you can also visit their help center if you face any trouble generating the report of crypto.com.tax. You just can uh, just get on their help section and uh, just connect with them via their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit, Discord, or you can just contact them uh, if they provide any email or phone number. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.